Hi, it's John Costa Mesa R&D. Well, today we have a set of Triumph rocker arms that we're going to have to fit to this brand new shaft. We've already installed the bearings, and if you notice that these things are copper colored, which means that they've been nitrided at the factory, and that's a good process. So we're going to take you through the steps of doing this. Well, we've got about 20 thousandths to hone out of this. We're going to have to do this in two stages with two different mandrels. Alright, well, we've got the other mandrel in. Really nice. That's just how it should fit. Alright, well, we're over here at the valve grinder, and we're going to take and tune these tips up. As you can see, they're not too awfully bad, but they do show us some signs of wear. And that looks pretty darn good. So we'll go ahead and do the rest of them now. We're maybe taking about 2 or 3 thousandths of material off, and generally when these things are nitrided, the nitriding goes into the material at least 10 thousandths. And that should do it. Well, if you have questions about rocker arm rebuilding for Triumphs or any other car that has a rocker arm assembly, give me a call here at Costa Mesa R&D. We'll see you soon.